The medical word for tooth grinding is bruxism, and some people can really have quite profound headaches from grinding the teeth at night. Now, in a similar way to treating facial slimming, we inject anti-wrinkle product into the masseter muscle, the muscle that controls biting. And this relaxes the muscle. It takes maybe a couple of weeks for it to take its effect, but it stops you being able to grind and bite the muscle so hard. So for people that grind at night, it's a fantastic treatment. It can get you great relief. We normally use between 20 and 25, if in strong muscles, 35 units per side. So that means 5 little injections on each side. And it's probably the least painful area on the face to treat because you don't really have many pain fibers around that area. We love treating this, and we perform hundreds of tooth grinding and facial slimming treatments per year at the clinic. So feel free to book in an appointment with one of us and we will be able to treat you.